ako napili.
Okay, one follow-ups here up on stage. Meron tayong ka-friend.
Yan ako na dito.
Dito ng mga cycling content creators, mga idols natin who have served us really good content. So, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. So we're gonna see them here later. Let's have a party with everyone. Once again. Alright, I'd just like to give a shout out to these two bikers who are
grabe mga bike natin.
there are a lot of people who are coming up on this stage and to bike demo this fact. Yesterday, these people were up on stage and I want to give a big shout out.
Yun no? Dito tayo ngayon sa UP. Bike demo.
Miss Bea, good morning. Keeping us cool in this weather. I love that their polos are like paper weight, very light to the skin, so you can check them out.
December, naramdaman ko siya masakit pag nag-ride kaya kasi check up ako sa Midoki, sa bursitis. Pero until now may konti bali.
Hindi naman bike-related yung injury.
Hindi.
Oo. Nakakatuwa yan. Na-meet ko yan sa Taktak no first anniversary ng Taktak. So, thank you so much for being here today. Nagsasama-sama tayong lahat. Ayan, may mga nag-iikot. Oh, I like that shirt. Bike and grind. Nakakatuwa yung shirt nila. Very yellow. And I want to welcome KMCC. So we have Bosch. Nakikita natin yan sa mga power tools, diba? So they also have cycling specific.
Sa pamamagitan ng aming mga kaibigan, ang lahat ng ito sa Pedal Up 2024. Then again, we'd like to start today's Pedal Up.
A few of their items are today. Wow! Yun yung exciting dito eh. Tapos we have Insta360 as well.
Who's been doing it for a while is our dear friend JP Alipio, who does the Cordillera Challenge, and he's here to invite you to his event. Take it away, brother.
Hi everyone, napadaan lang ako actually. Thank you for inviting me on stage, and so we're doing the
I tried out the 160 last time. It's very scenic going around Mount Ararat. So if you want adventure rides from gravel, this event
Uy!
Uy!
Morning.
Everywhere.
Morning po.
Vlog ka ba?
Hindi, no? Kasi
I hope that you're ready to bike demo with us. Again, there is a way for you to demo the bike. How do we demo the bike?
We can demo the bike by just leaving our ID up at the...
Coming up pretty soon, last 10 days registration, visit.
ayun ang sponsor sa akin. Magkano ba? Ano ko magkano?
Lalaro ko sa ano? Bicol by? Saan maglalaro? Bicol? La Union. Oo, yan.
La Union ka? Colrax TV sir. Shoutout sa mga Colrax TV natin yan. Okay sir. Ingat sir.
So I'm not sure how well we can use the helmet and the glasses for cycling community, but maybe for rowing.
Maybe
Yun mga idol. Nabigyan tayo ng polo dito ng Voodoo Paint.
Budoku. Ayun, no? Ni Sir Mon Season. Thank you po. Sa binigay mong pulo sa akin, sir. Parang kay Tanod. Ayun, no? Diba? Kuha mo lang, sir. Yan. Dito lang yan. Budo supply. Punta kayo din sa UP. Yun, good morning, good morning. Ito ka na yung video.
Hi, good morning po. I'm Miss Volante from Picture Books. Thank you for inviting us again. Alright, kayo or groups, you can do your coffee table book with us. So these are our samples. So meron silang
Hello!